Anyone with a Shiba Inu should read this urgent announcement. Shiba Inu's lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, shared that, exactly as we are about to do so, we must act. Add the Layer 2 sheer barium solution. For that reason, I urge you to keep on watching, in the form of a video because I plan to share one. There will be several more significant changes in the near future, so stay tuned. To preface the pure barium update, I must briefly discuss the Shib Everlasting update. As we are well aware of, this Shib Eternal Progress, the team regularly adds new content to the game. Maximum satisfaction guaranteed. There has been an updated patch for the game. Shiba Changelog 11.6 is here. The new features fancy moniker. Some exciting new capabilities are also included. Another issue that could have resulted in a game crash has been fixed. As a result, whether you are a fan of the game, you should have a look at it. Ragnar Ships, a popular YouTube channel, recently shared an odd screenshot on their Twitter feed. Shiba Inu Telegram content, in which case it is clear that this is a screen capture. Check it out. It's easy reading. Make sure the popcorn is hot and ready. If this describes you, know that you are not alone. I have no idea what this may signify. Being shy is Toshi's Achilles heel. However, using cryptic language is not a recent phenomenon. However, if pressed for an answer, I bet Satoshi is alluding to the introductory paragraph, amounting to nothing except barium. I think he wants us to have popcorn, put together, and prepare to see that an explosion will happen if pure barium is fired into the air. Moreover, it looks like from that message from her, Bari, and Beta will be released soon. It seems that many others share this view. In a remark made over Twitter area, still, your opinion is welcome. Information presented in the videos. A space for comments. If you think it's anything other than what it is, something to remember is essential. However, not a large percentage of the population of Shiba Inu shares this belief. The people who work with crypto on a wider scale are nervous, watching for it to come out, amounting to nothing except barium. Sure enough, the committed. Over 59,000 people now follow the Sheer Barium network on Twitter. Because of this, it's a ridiculous idea, dedicated to Satoshi, as a kind of playful taunting. Now, let's talk about something else. It looks like we'll have to wait and see what happens. Now, let's go on. Did you know that cryptocurrency persists despite obvious challenges in the market? Is there something you hope to do in 2020? Excellent batting average. Many people benefit from it. To seize the opportunity to begin dabbling in cryptocurrency. Price point in the market. Price. Crypto Corp claims an incredible 425 million people are now Bitcoin holders. The firm stated its rationale. The analysis is based on a few different factors. Open source information gleaned from Bitcoin and Ethereum polls, as well as its own offspring. The findings provide credence to a previous firm's estimation of the total number of cryptocurrency holders. Just like the other firm, their estimates were just released recently. Triple as the amount of people who own cryptocurrencies around the world. According to Bitcoin ledgers, this is the definitive method, as of 2023, exceeding 420 in number. According to our calculations, there are standardized rates of cryptocurrency ownership over the world to be 4.2%. As a result, 2022 will be a watershed year for the adoption of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. I'm happy to report that a sizable percentage of its growth will be spent on chips. The fans of Shiba Inu from the previous year would have picked up on that. Every year, thousands more people become part of the Shiba Inu family. Spends money almost constantly. Day after 2023. Here's hoping this trend holds. Continuing our talk of the Siberian Ledger, the leading cryptocurrency hardware wallet supplier has now announced its support after it's out in the wild. That's the answer. A supporter of the Shiba Inu breed responded positively when asked if they would be backing the Layer 2 platform by saying, "Yes, barium. They've already had it in the works." They went on to tell us to be vigilant, removed temporarily for maintenance. When it comes to producing hardware wallets, Ledger is unrivaled. And I've been there, too. Explained. It blows my mind. They, too, may be anticipating the release of ShibRam in order to sign up for the service. Furthermore, if and when the actual onboarding occurs, absolutely, it will. Get the barium out there where lots of people can see it. Provides a much-needed boost. Those who suffer from A. Different people with different cryptographic backgrounds may choose to build their ideas on a shoestring budget. The development of barium will occur as a result of this exposure and in this way. Let's talk about it after that. Low-cost linear with some suggestions for making some extra cash. This channel, the Shib investors who made money. This is due only to the fact that they produced it. Timing investments has been examined at length. However, not all people who invested Shib money were Shib investors. I was able to make a fortune. The rationale behind this is simple. They were mostly made of paper. Workers, whom the price was lowered instantly. Themselves, when times were rough, their tokens. If you know anything about the past, you know that Shiba, you're probably aware that the number began with 9 zeros and is now down to 0. Sometime later, an extra 0 was tacked on. Many token holders must have been frightened into selling their holdings as a result. Unfortunately, Shiba Inu's burst. The subsequent year, including those who decided to wait. It progressed. Billionaires. To be clear, I'm not telling you exactly what to do here. Plus, it's not meant to be taken as financial guidance. Make an effort to learn on your own. And of course, something goes wrong after that. Investing expert and economist Jason Zweig has released a chart that, in his opinion, every investor should study. As of late, they've been tweeting. There's another chart that displays the thriving markets for past the turn of the century. In the midst of the dot-com boom, the market did not work. In any case, this attempt to escape was the second of two. You argue that this is so because strong correlation between traditional and digital asset markets. We might witness the identical situation play out in the near future as both traditional and digital assets are gradually approaching local resistance levels, which could support Barry's theory. In essence, this expert is suggesting that the cryptocurrency market may attempt to break out but fail, just like it did during the dot-com bubble. But would you concur? You might want to take into account something you said today as you were thinking about that. However, before we do that every day, this station gives free 100,000 short P to be eligible to take part in the giveaway. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I wish you luck, Siobhan. Additionally, this channel now has a membership option. Joining provides you access to a private group. Chat with me where we can talk about success, money, and crypto gems. To join, simply click the membership button. Evidently, investors have less interest in hazardous investments like stocks, cryptocurrency, etc. Retail actors, on the other hand, gain control and start driving certain assets upward when markets are under significant pressure, and the bulk of institutional actors opt to stay out of them as a result of the high interest rates. However, significant changes cannot take place without institutional support. In the end, all the extra purchasing power that emerged during a downturn serves as fuel for another downturn. Though I still wanted to know your opinions, please keep in mind that this is not financial advice. Moving on, a whale has just purchased a Shiba Inu token for $1.5 million, which is not SEBI. It is clear that this purchase was made in preparation of the